Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you very much for joining us on today's episode of True Potential's Morning Markets. In today's video, we'd like to cover the latest economic data released by China. Yesterday and this morning, we've had the release of two sets of Chinese economic data. On one side, we've had the PMIs from the manufacturing side of the economy, and on the other, we've had that from the services. So if we cover off first the manufacturing data, that's following the trends that we've talked about a lot on these videos from China, but it's also following similar themes that we have saw from developed markets. What we mean by this is that we're continuing to see weakness within the manufacturing side of the economy, and that's mainly due to how consumers' preferences have shifted from goods into services. Now, the data shows that we've saw weakness within new orders and exports. Now, the main thing to highlight that differs from developed markets, however, with China, is that the employment side of things remains weaker. As we know, and we've talked about in our podcasts and also these videos, is that the employment side of things for developed markets such as the US and the UK remains extremely robust at this point of time. However, within China, that's an awful lot weaker than what we see within developed markets. But if we think about the other side of the economy where China wants to shift to, away from being a more manufacturing-led economy into a more services-led economy, that's where we're actually seeing the strength within the data. So those numbers are posted above 50, so that indicates that that side of the economy is in expansion territory. However, once again, similar to what we have seen within the manufacturing sector of China, we're actually seeing weakness within the employment side of things. So that's one of the main differences that we're seeing between developed markets and the Chinese economy at this point in time. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we will catch you for a new video tomorrow.